So we initially were going to try to get AVL data, that's automated vehicle location data, from an existing solution running in the city of Surprise, something they already had on their fire trucks. Unfortunately, when we connected to that feed and we started pulling the trucks back, we found that the update frequency was far too low. I believe the best we saw was a vehicle update once every 20 seconds. You know, one of the reasons we partnered with EtherWAN was that they were able to provide this data to us at once every 0.9 seconds. So being able to get data that rapidly means that we can respond in less than a second to the location of a vehicle, which for preemption is key and allows us to get those commands out to the signal far more quickly than we would have been able to do with many other solutions out there. Some of the other benefits I've heard, number one was the ability to plug in the optical emitter to the GPIO port. And that was key. That means we have a very binary, either the vehicle is headed to an emergency or it's not. And a very simple way for us to trigger on preemption and make sure that we're only providing it to those vehicles that are headed to an emergency. Moving forward, I think what we value most is collaboration. Having smart technical people be able to work directly with each other, that is how you make things work. It just so happens that EtherWAN kind of stood out from the pack because you did provide us direct access to resources. You did act like consultants, and the responsiveness, I'd say, beyond everything else I've mentioned, the responsiveness has just been key here. And that collaborative process really allowed us to, see the success that we saw on the Surprise Emergency Vehicle Preemption project. This has been a great partnership, and ultimately, we pride ourselves in quality as well. So the fact that EtherWAN was able to kind of, match our ethos and, provide the quality hardware to match the quality software solution, I think has been great. It's been a great partnership.